I'm dealing with Baby and Partners. My 1 year anniversary with the company is in about a month, and I've been implementing Acumatica for over 2 years now. I come from a background of other various ERPs, and I've done consultant work, project managed work, and a few other roles. And have you ever looked at your business and thought, there has to be a better way to run all this? And if yes, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down one of the biggest decisions growing businesses face. When should you implement an ERP? And more importantly, what questions should you ask before jumping in? Stay with me now. This isn't just about the software, it's about setting your business up for its next era of growth. Before you invest months of time, money, and energy into an ERP, you need clarity, not guesswork, and not some, oh, my friend said this is the best system to run. Clear, strategic alignment. And today, I'll walk you through the exact questions successful companies ask before choosing an ERP so you can avoid painful detours and hopefully costly mistakes. Let's start with the big one. Is your business growing, or is it about to? If you're selling more, expanding into a new market, adding new product lines, hiring quickly, or feeling the weight of your operational complexity, that is your signal. ERP systems shine when your current processes can't quite keep up with your growth. If your team is still sticking together spreadsheets to survive their production, the finance, and inventory, your business might be outgrowing its tools. The next question, are your current systems slowing you down? Think of all the manual tasks, repeated data entry, and siloed teams that don't talk to each other. If your sales team, warehouse, and finance are each living in their own universe, you're not running a business. You're running a bunch of mini businesses that happen to share the same logo. An ERP brings everything under one roof, centralized data, smoother workflows, and far fewer business bottlenecks. Here's a tough question. How confident are you in your data? If every report gives you a different version of the truth, if forecasting feels more like guesswork, or if your team doesn't trust the numbers, that's a big red flag. ERPs create a single source of truth, making reporting, planning, and decision-making dependable and fast. Depending on your industry, compliance is not an optional decision. Whether it's GDPR, HIPAA, or an industry-specific rule, an ERP can help you maintain accurate records and automate compliance tasks. If regulations are becoming overwhelming or even risky, this is another major reason to move. It's almost 2026. Your customers expect fast responses, accurate orders, and real-time visibility. Suppliers want clarity, timelines, and communication. If your partners expect more than your current systems can deliver, an ERP helps tighten your supply chain, improve communication, and create better experiences across the board. Do you have the resources to commit? An ERP implementation takes budget, time, people, and leadership buy-in. If you're missing one of these, the project can stall. Before you commit, ask your leadership team, are we truly ready to invest in the long-term operational transformation? Next, can your current infrastructure support an ERP? Do you have reliable network connectivity? Are you ready to integrate your existing tools such as a CRM, e-commerce platforms, warehouse management systems, or even point of sales? A good ERP fits your ecosystem, and a great ERP elevates it. ERP isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a strategic move. Ask yourself, does this align with where we want the business to grow in the next 3 to 5 years? Then consider your ROI. Yes, there's an upfront cost, but what's the long-term payoff? Fewer errors, faster processes, lower operational costs, better customer satisfaction. Those gains really stack up. An implementation is a journey, not a sprint. But if you ask the right questions, you get the right guidance and take it step by step, you'll build a stronger, smarter, more scalable business. If you want more clarity on whether your business is ready for an ERP, comment below or reach out. We're here to help you build the right roadmap.